Hello students, after a long time we are back with our online classes. So let us start with the next question. We are on the diet problem. The last problem we have seen. The similar type of the problem we will see today. Now here we have seen example 9. We will see example 9 today. So let us start with the question. So question is, a dietitian has to develop the special diet using two foods P and Q. Each packet containing 30 grams of food P contains 12 units of calcium, 4 units of iron, 6 units of cholesterol and 6 units of vitamin A. Each packet of the same quantity of the food Q contains 3 units of calcium, 20 units of iron, 4 units of cholesterol and 3 units of vitamin A. The diet requires at least 240 units of the calcium, at least 460 units of the iron and at most 300 units of the cholesterol. Now how many each food should be used to minimize the amount of vitamin A in the diet? What is the minimum amount of vitamin A? So student, this is the question we have, that in this we have two types of food P and food P and food Q, and it is having some amount of calcium, iron, cholesterol and vitamin A. Now for two foods we have given all the things, and then it is we have limit is also given, that at least 240 units of calcium, at least 460 units of iron and at most 300 units of the cholesterol. So now students, when we are forming a question, please be clear with these all things. Please be clear with all these things. That what is the given in the question? It is the at least or at most, and is there how many quantity, how to do this, all these things we have to keep in mind. So let us start with. So now this question is related with the one question. It is not a related, it is the question given in your exercise 12, question number 1, that in this example, then the above example, how many packet of the each food should be used to maximize the amount of vitamin A in the diet. So example asks us about to find the minimum amount of vitamin A, where the question asks us about to find the maximized amount of vitamin A. So nothing changed, just we have to same thing we know. Now so many questions we have solved, so we know how to solve it. Here we have two types of food P and food Q. Each amount is also given. Okay, calcium, iron, cholesterol and vitamin A, how many units of are there, how many maximum or minimum unit we have. And the question, now this question is different because here first thing you have two sub constraint, and the minimize or maximize function is not based on the cost of the product or the profit. So here it is based on the quantity of the vitamin A. How many units of vitamin A are used in the food, that will give us the minimize and maximize function. So let us start with the question now. Here the things answer now. So here the things are, let X and Y are the number of the packets of the food P and Q. Then subject to the constraints will be 12X plus 3y at least, so greater than or equals to 240, 4x plus 20y greater than or equals to 460, and 6x plus 4y at most, so less than or equals to 300. So these three will give us the constraint. When we are solving the example, that means in the question, if they ask the minimize z, so minimize z is equal 6x plus 3y, and if they ask maximize, then maximize z is equal 6x plus 3y. So this is our LPP. So here the LPP we have. So our linear programming problem is minimize z 6x plus 3y subject to the constraint. You can simplify this constraint too, no problem with that. It is depend upon you how to solve. So now let us solve So this is the reminder, as we have done the questions so many days ago. That's why we are starting with again the solution. I will see here. So here the 12x plus 3y is a 240. So what first thing we are doing? We are finding two solution for each and every constraint, and then we are plotting a graph. But before graph, we will find out its intersection point. So I am not asking, I am not here clearing that how to find out this two solution. You know very well. So these are the solutions are given. So let us find out the intersection point. So these are the two constraints. So these are the two constraints we are solving, that 12x plus 3y is equals to 240 and 4x plus 20y is equal to 460. So multiply the second equation by 3. We are processing for the find out the intersection points. So you can solve these two equations by the elimination method or any other method you feel convenient. So here y is equals to 20 and then x is equals to 50. Okay. Similarly, this is the first intersection point of these two lines. 12x plus 3y is equal to 40 and 4x plus 20y is equals to 460. Now another two. So here the things we have, 4x plus 20y is equals to 460 and 6x plus 4y is a 300. So for these two equations, you can solve it by the same method, that is the elimination method. You will find out the solution as x is equals to 40 and y is equals to 50. And then another two, that is the first and the third. So 12x plus 3y is equals to 240 and 6x plus 4y is equals to 300. Just solve it by the method, and here the solution we have, y is equals 72 and x is equals to 2. So here the three solution we are having. Now the next thing is we have to plot the graph. So for plotting a graph, we will keep in mind these all things. So let us see with this. When 12x plus 3y is equals to 240, 12x plus 3y is a 240. Your solution is x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 80. Let me see. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 80, and y is equals to 0, then x is equals to 20. So this is the first line we have, this line. This gives us 12x plus 3y is equal to 240. Okay, then similarly you can plot the another lines, that is 6x plus 4y is equal to 300. So this is the line we have, 6x plus 4y is equal to 300, and third line 4x plus 20y is equal to 460. So this is the third line. So now your constraints are, these constraints are greater than or equals to. This constraint will give us the greater than and equal to. This will be also, this constraint is a less than equals to, and this is greater than or equals to. So greater than equals to, and less than equals to. So this is our feasible region. Now you can see better this is the feasible region. Now with the feasible region, here we have three intersection point which we have find earlier. If we are plotting in the graph paper, then you can find out from graph also. And for the verification, I always say that for the verification we have to find it by the numerical also. So 15, 20, 40, 15 and 2 is 72. So these three are the corner points. Now when these three are the corner points, so let us find out the maximum and the minimum value. As example 1 gives us about the, ask us about the, see here the solution. Now you have seen from the graph, that is the xy, this is the corner point 2, 72, 15, 20 and 40, 15. Our objective function is z is equal to 6x plus 3y. As we are solving two types of equation, maximize and minimize both, so I have not written anything here. If the question asks us about the find a minimum value, then write here minimum, or the question, in the question they ask about maximum, then write here maximum. So let us solve 2, 72. So z is equals 228 If 15 comma 20, then z is equals to 150, and 40 comma 15, then z is equals to 285. So this is the minimum. Now if they ask about minimum value, then you can find out the minimum 150. So minimum value, this is the maximum value. So minimum z is, so answer is minima is z 6x plus 3y, for x is equals to 15 and y is equals to 20. So total unit of vitamin A is 150. Similarly, maxima is z, then x is equals to 40 and y is equals to 15. So this is your answer. I hope now you have understood again very well about the diet problem, how to find out, how to form an LPP, and any question is asked is about the diet problem or the manufacturing problem or the allocation or the transportation problem. The one thing we have to remember, that is about to find a linear programming problem. That is the same thing we have to find it. Okay, so with this I am stop this video with the question number 1 of the exercise 12. Okay, which is the same question of example 9. We will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.